followers sent me her products and asked, can I get a smooth base even with extremely dry, flaky skin? So yes, the answer is yes, because techniques matter more than products. So come, let's quickly get into it. Step 1 is skincare. Skincare is very important. So if you have flaky or very dry skin, don't directly start with your foundation or primer or strobe cream. Apply a rich moisturizer and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, because you're a dry skin person and you have flaky skin, so it needs a lot of hydration, otherwise your flakes will become even more visible if you do not hydrate well. Next, use the Forever 52 Sheer Nude Strobe Cream. Apply a very generous layer across high points of the face and lightly on the cheeks as well. This step actually adds hydration and glow to the skin before foundation, which makes it look more healthy. Now, next product are these two foundations that she owns. So I would recommend her going with the Pro Artist one because this is more dewy in comparison to the Ultra Pro Definition one. As I always say for everybody, the trick here is instead of applying a very thick layer, emulsify the foundation and simply apply a very thin layer, as thin as possible. And this step is for everybody. Dab your foundation into the skin instead of dragging it. You see that the drag disturbs the actual formula of the foundation. Next, she has these two concealers. Also, she has a sugar concealer, but I do not have that. So I'm going with these two, the Forever 52 one and the Swiss Beauty one. And I'm going to use them together. First, I have taken the shade Forever 52 in 003 at the back of my hand, and I'm going to mix the Swiss Beauty one. I have the shade Sand from Swiss Beauty one, which is lighter. I'm going to mix the two and apply it. Use it only where you need extra coverage, like around the nose, under the eyes or on the eyelids, and simply press it into the foundation so that everything looks blended into one. This is the most important mistake that most people with dry skin always do, and that is baking. You do not need to bake, and here's what you need to do actually. Some very little powder, ditch the puff and dip the brush into the powder, dust off all the excess and very light-handedly just apply wherever you get sweat. And that's it. Most crucial step before moving on to powders ahead is using a hydrating mist or a setting spray or a finishing spray. And I use the Dalba one. You can use whichever mist you have. This will melt all the creams together and give you a more even and more smooth base and more hydration to your base so that the dryness isn't visible. I want to show you up close that the makeup looks fresh, dewy, and it stays in place. The goal for a dry skin person is never a matte finish, but a healthy and glowing skin with just enough coverage. So if you want me to teach more such makeup looks using your makeup products, then don't forget